Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Amazon Photos account. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and search for Amazon Photos and click on the first link. Now, in this page, click on Sign into Web. Now in this page, make sure you're signed into your account just like me. Now to sign out, all you have to do is click on the profile icon at the top right corner and you'll be able to see many options like settings, feeds and feedbacks, help, and at the bottom of the menu you can see sign out option. Simply click on it. And just like that, we have successfully signed out of our Amazon Photos account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.